So let's start installing Python in your PC. First of all, open your web browser, either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and search for a particular keyword like download Python. Here, the first result that came out with extension like .org, that's the genuine OG website of the Python. Click on that, download Python. Here you can see the download page and there are multiple options available. You can either install using the Python install manager or you can directly install the particular program Python 3.14.0. It's the current version. So friends, there are multiple options available for Windows, Linux, macOS, Android and other operating systems. You need to download the only particular package. Like it's the latest release 3.14. We are going to install. And make sure you are installing the correct version like 64-bit or 32-bit. You must know which Windows architecture you are using. So let me download Python 3.14. Here it is. The package size is 28.5 MB. For writing the programs of the Python, we need this VS Code tool. It's like a digital notebook where we write our programs and run them using the Python extension. So friends, now we have downloaded two packages, one for the Python installation and other for the digital notebook VS Code where we will write our codes, our digital notebook. Okay, now let's close and proceed with the installation of the Python. Double tap on the downloaded package and it will start installing. Okay, now let's close it. We can also cross check the installation by pressing the Windows key, and here you will see 2 to 3 icons added of Python. Now it's time to install the VS Code. Accept the agreement. Next. Create a desktop icon, it's your choice. Either you can create or escape it. Now let's install. So friends, we have successfully installed these two programs. Finish it. And now you are ready to write your first program using the VS Code. Launch VS Code and tap on new file and start writing your first program. That's all about the Python installation, guys. Thanks for watching Counting Bytes.